Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. It's your game reference and I'm back again with another video. So I've got some comments like this and I feel like a lot of you are already excited to get to know what my experience with Hola Prime is. So in my last video I did an in-depth review about Hola Prime, okay, and I actually told you guys I was going to be trading a $25,000 account with this prop firm. So in this video what I basically want to do is to take you guys through what my trading, maybe few trades I took in this particular account, and then take you guys to my Hola Prime dashboard so you guys will get to see what the dashboard looks like and what my trading experience with them has been like. And also for those of you wanting to know what the slippage, what the spread is like, and which accounts do I prefer, and maybe to recommend an account you guys should go for, or what do I even like about my account. Without further ado, first of all, we're just going to be checking out some of the trades I took on this account. So right here in my journal, I have the first trade I actually took on this particular profile account in CHFJPY for a short. Was this basically this face trade I took, which eventually after I entered the trade right here, price wicked me out, and like as you can see right here, I got to see that after price wicked me out, price actually went to full take profit, which is something I've currently been experiencing so far. As you can see, the lessons that I want to calculate the risk properly and set and forget, and also account for spread if it's a prop account. The next trade is a Euro USD long, and something again I was looking to do with this account and what my risk was around is that I was looking to like risk 2% on this particular account. That's like $500. And one thing again I'm trying my best to do is, if I see every setup, be it 3 trades in a row, I'm taking all of them. But you have to understand the rules on this account. Like now that I'm currently trading the $25,000 account, I don't want to be risking more than 1,250 or even 1,250 in a trading day. So the first trade I took was 200, trying to test them out. So the next trade was Euro USD. So as you can see here, I was looking to take a buy, and eventually price came to tag me in, and then price wicked me out. And eventually, as you can see the lesson again, price actually did what? Wicked me out and continued to the intended direction. But there's something else I want to show you guys here. If you look closely, the entry point right here is 1.16070, and as you can see the trade I took in my Hola Prime account, Euro USD, is $502 loss, and as you can see the entry is at 16070. So this is actually to also tell you that their slippage is just nice. Okay, they execute your order at the initial price you set your order at. Okay, and if we should go further, the next trade I actually took AUD JPY trade. Okay, as you can see it's actually a short as well, but this trade I finally actually did my review, which was a sell, thinking that after this break of structure we are looking for phase C. So looking that we have this relative equal low, I was thinking that the phase C is going to still continue down, but as you can see price with impulsive move wicked me out. Okay, so you guys know I'm still trying to grasp my hand around this strategy, and it's something I'm just trying my best even with the losses and everything. Okay, but one thing I've learned so far is I don't want to spend so much time in this prop accounts. Like if you have the money, go for these prop firms, buy them, have a working strategy, do not risk money that you're not willing to lose in trading. Then do not try to play it safe. Risk, do you get me? So that's something I've been trying to do so far. And one thing I've found out that I'm no longer scared to place a trade like with maybe $500. Like it's not becoming something that is like a norm. And as you can see, most of the trades I've been taking has been wicking me out. As you can see, this GBP USD trade now, I was looking to take a buy, and price eventually tagged me in, wicked me out. And with all the whole consolidation, with whatever that has happened this week, this trade actually went to go and hit take profit at last. Okay, so it's just basically something I've been going through the Hola Prime dashboard, so I can show you guys what my dashboard looks like and also what the dashboard entails. Okay, so right now we are at the Hola Prime dashboard, and remember what, like I told you, that this prop firm is actually backed by a well-regulated broker, and they don't only focus on forex, that's CFDs, they also have their future products mentioned right here. Okay, and if you can see, they have excellence rating on Trustpilot, and also they also mentioned in Profit Match. I mentioned a lot of things about them. Their 1 hour payout, they process your payouts within 1 hour. It's something me myself I'm not experienced, so which is why I always urge you all, try to do your own research. Okay, use the link in the description below to do your own research to get to know more about them. They are audited by Deloitte. They have different accounts, okay, that fits different trader styles. Okay, do well to check them out. Okay, so first of all, now what we're going to try to do is log into my dashboard to see what it looks like. Okay, right now we are at my Hola Prime dashboard, and as you guys can see, this is my ID. Okay, and this is my initial account balance, which is a $25,000 account, and it's a 2-step prime phase 1 assessment, okay, which is I'm still in phase 1, and the start date is 21st of May 2026, and the end date is none, which is to say that they don't have maximum trading days. You can trade as long as you want, as far as you don't breach any of the rules. Okay, and as you can see, the platform that I have available that I'm using to trade, which is MT5, and my dashboard here, and this is where I literally get my credentials to log into this account. And if you go over here, you can see analysis. That's to show you everything you've done so far in your trading. You can see agreement. You can also see order history. You can also see payouts, and if you should click on the payouts, you can see that I don't have any payouts with them as of recent. No certificates as well, leaderboard, a lot of things that if you are interested to check them out, you can actually do that. So the next we are going to go to is, we have this dashboard and we also have this analysis, but currently let's go through the dashboard. So for the dashboard right here, you guys can see the other things I mentioned, which is 21st of May. That's when I start, and my payouts that I was given for this particular account is monthly at 95%. But if you guys remember, the last time I did the review, there are some criteria you have to meet for you to be eligible for this monthly at 95%. Okay, do well to check out the other videos so you see that, or do well to even check out the rules so you see what you have to meet up to for you to be eligible to monthly at 95% as well. And as you can see, my initial balance is $25,000, and if you look up here, you can see daily max loss will reset, okay, at this hour. Okay, so I think it's something you should also pay attention to whenever you're trying to trade, so that your daily loss has no countdown and you feel like, oh, the day is over. That means, did you get what I'm trying to say? So you have to be careful and make sure that you follow this so you don't breach your account due to daily maximum loss. Okay, and if you look here, we have trading objective. My profit target is $27,000. Okay, that's to say my account, which was $25,000, I was expected to get $27,000. Okay, that's extra. That's my profit target here is $2,000. That's 8%. Okay, and you can see minimum trading days, I've completed that. And inactivity countdown, you guys understand, that means anytime you don't take a trade, they will count it down for you. Daily loss, as you can see, the daily loss here, I didn't take any trade here, but this will show you that your daily loss is more like $1,250, okay, for this particular account, because the daily loss is 5%. Okay, and max loss is actually, as you guys can see, this is red. Okay, 25, that's about basically 10%. Okay, that means I'm less than 24 or 23 thereabouts to actually losing this account, which is something that I said that when I started, do not try to try to stay in this account for long, trying to risk, not managing your, so just be dynamic with your risk. Make sure you have a working edge, like I said. But you guys can see that most of the trade, I almost lost this account in a day. I'm not going to lie to you guys. There was a day I took 3 trades and all of them were like back-to-back stop loss. Okay, but one thing again is that if I'm placing 3 trades, I can do $500. Then maybe the third trade I would reduce it, make sure it doesn't reach to maybe 250, so that it doesn't account to the 5% I'm not supposed to lose in a day. Okay, so if you go further, you can see the balance chart is just straight drawdown. You guys saw a lot of looking out I went through, so you can see account performance current week. It will show your lot size, your buy and sell symbols, and close hours. As you can see on Monday, this is what the Monday is actually showing. And furthermore, if you go on stats and history, you can see here, you can select the item you want to check. You can see net P&L, your average risk to reward, your average hold time, and your win rate as well. Okay, so basically you can see, I'm not going to use this to actually rate how my trading is, because this is just a short data. Okay, I'm just showing you guys the dashboard. But actually, for those of you asking me how you can get the pairs that you trade, the in-depth journal is something that can even help you see the pairs you're doing well, see the pairs that your strategy is working well, so that you select the pairs you want to focus on and trade. So it actually helps you to gather data, but it's over a long period of or series of trade. Okay, that's something I found out about them. So like you can see, most traded symbol UUS, and you can see here they mentioned most profitable symbol AUDJPY, and average risk to reward ratio, through. Like I said, I'm not going to use this data because I've not even traded for long. Okay, like if you look at here, trades I've taken is like 9 pieces of trades, and loss size 17.22, average winning trade 3.30 okay, as you can see. And my losses and this trade expectancy that they have, I always like this trade expectancy. Just don't mind that it's negative for now. As you can see, best trade, worst trade, long wins, okay, that's 33.33%, short wins 16.67%, gross profit. As you can see here, they also have the profit factor, okay, and here you can see the close trades and also your daily summary. But there's this part I wanted to show you guys that you guys are going to love so much. That's when you go to the analysis part, you're going to see overview of your accumulative profit graph, okay, your loss. You can see 3 win trades, losses. So it's something that can also help you see what your win rate is like, and you can see all the history of the trades I took. But this calendar view, I know most of us will love this calendar view, because this calendar view is something that will show you, what's a particular month, how you did well in that particular month, as you can see, and each day the trades you took. As you can see here, on Wednesday I took a $200 loss. On Thursday, that's the day I told you that the back-to-back 3 trades I took, but at the end of the day, something again you can see at here, weekly reports, every trade you've taken for that week, it will show how much you made or you lost. I love this so much, and it's just so clean, okay, and you can see your highest profitable days. So this, the in-depth journal, is something that can help you, because when you want to trade, your strategy is backed up by data, okay, so anything that's going to give you confidence. So like, let's say, just focus on trading any accounts you get with Hola Prime over a long period of time, and see that you're trading that particular edge over and over again, and you see it's going to give you an in-depth data you can actually work in, that will build your confidence in that particular pair, that particular strategy you're using. That's something I found out. And if you even click here, you can see the yearly overview. This is amazing, like the way, like, it just looks so clean. As you can see, best months here, January. You guys knew I started trading accounts in May. Lowest month is May. So it's really amazing how everything is set. And if you want to go for any account, you can just click here. As you can see, you can choose your path, choose one of your the challenges, either forex or futures. And the one I'm currently trading is the 2-step prime. That's phase 1 and phase 2. And I basically like the accounts because if you can look here, the minimum trading days is for phase 1 is 3%, 3 days. That's minimum trading days for phase 1 and phase 2. And profit target is actually 8% for phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. And max daily loss is up to max daily loss is 5%. That's if from any account to 100k, because I think the last time I did a review, the 200k daily loss is like 4%. Make sure that any account you're choosing from Hola Prime, make sure to go through the rules, okay? Make sure you go through the rules. So going back to what we were saying, then the max loss is also 10%, phase 1 and phase 2, and the leverage is actually 30:1, which is also good for a swing trader like me, okay? And you can see they also in the prime, they have the 1-step prime challenge. Okay, minimum trading days is 2, profit target 10, daily max loss is 3%, max overall loss 6%, leverage 30:1. You can see the pro as well, the pro account. That's a 2-step pro challenge, which is the minimum trading days is 2, profit targets for phase 1 8, and for phase 2 is 5%. You can just check out, and you can also see from accounts up to 100k, the daily loss is 5% for phase 1 and phase 2. Daily loss up to, from any account to 100k, because remember I told you, any account you're going for, make sure to check out their rules, okay? Because if you guys will look here, you guys can see that any account from any amount to 100k, 10%. So make sure you go through the rules. I keep telling you guys this so you don't make a mistake. So the other account again they have is the direct account. Okay, you guys can see the direct account was something I told you guys that it's actually something like the instant accounts. The max daily loss is 3%, max trailing drawdown 7%, leverage is 50:1, reward up to 90%, okay? And consistency, they have consistency rule, okay? So, and the last one is the Hola Prime 1 challenge. The minimum trading days is none, profit target is 7%. I actually went through all these accounts previously. So let's see what it's like when you want to start a challenge. You can see create order. You can also check out their payment method. They have different types of payment method, okay, crypto and the rest. So as you can see, select your preferred options, forex or futures, maybe a step 1, or let's do the step 2 that I like, okay, and then you select a step 2. Just select any account, make sure you go through the rules. Then let's select 100k. Like 100k, I think a lot of people like going for round figures, you get. And you can see the platform that they have 6 different platforms available for the forex. But I think in any account you click from the previous video, it's not actually all the accounts that has this trading platform. They have MT4, MT5, Trade Locker, C Trader, DX Trade, Mash Trader, and also their request payouts. Like I said, all these payouts you see that they have available, when you go through the rules, you will see that there are some things you need to meet up for you to be able to qualify for maybe bi-weekly at 80%, monthly at 95%, on demand payouts. Okay, as you can see, the add-on. Remember I told you that anytime you're purchasing an account, is during the time you're purchasing your account, you can add an add-on. So this reset add-on is maybe if you fail the account, if you add it, then you're not going to pay the actual price you pay when you're purchasing the account. Okay, that's plus 50% right here. So for swap free, for those of you who are swing traders or you hold trades overnight, okay, I think it's very, very important for you guys to add this swap free, because for the trades I've been taking, you see that maybe if I want to, it was even a loss trade, you see that my swap free is added, you now see that I'm not even losing $100, but I'm losing maybe more than $100, or let's say 500, and then the swap fee might be like $50. You now see that what I'm losing is $550. So it's something you need to account for to avoid order. So your order overview, everything you've selected so far will appear here, okay, and then the discount code. So if you want a 30% discount, you can use the code miracle in the description below using the link, and you get a 30% discount using miracle, okay. And after that, you can just create your payment here. All right, so what we are going to do right now is I'm going to be sharing with you all what the spread is like, okay. Some people wanted to know what the spread is like. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to your MT5, and once you get your MT5, you look at your quotes. So all those figures that you're seeing that are fluctuating, you can see Euro USD is fluctuating between 1 and 2, and you can see that the spread is nice. And also for you to check it in the chart, you can just click in the 1 minute, okay, and check what the difference between the ask and the bid price is. And you can see for the major pairs is really nice, which is why most people try to focus on the major pairs, okay, because you don't want to be focusing on markets that are not liquid. You want to focus on markets that are liquid, okay. So this is basically for my experience with Hola Prime. I haven't experienced any issue at all, and that's what I always say: before you go for anything, make sure you research, and if it's a platform that fits your trading style, you can use the link on the description below. Explore, check them out, okay. And let me know what you think about this platform, and if you have any other question concerning Hola Prime, do well to drop into the comment section below. All right, so without further ado,